With Chef Pachi today. The bean sandwich solution. It's a great way to eat your bean sandwiches and spreads without having those beans spread all over the place. Here we go. And welcome to Chef Pachi. Today's hack. Take a cup of black beans, a quarter cup of sun-dried tomatoes, a little bunch of cilantro, and chop them or process it. Add it to your sandwich or wrap and enjoy it. Chef Pachi. Red bean spread, an amazing and delicious spread for sandwiches, wraps, and many other foods where you want to serve red beans and give them an extra kick. All we have to add is a dried chipotle pepper, some cilantro, and chop it or blend it. Drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil on top if you want to serve it as a dip or as a snack. First, your beans are not going to fall all over. Second, you can use it for so many recipes. Enjoy!